Hey loves, welcome back to another tutorial. So today's video we're going to be learning how to add inbuilt pockets to our boo dresses or any other dress that you are making. So on our last video we learned how to make the beautiful boo dress that you just saw. So if you've not seen the video, I will link it down on my description box so you go check it out. For this tutorial I'll be needing a piece of fabric, so I'm just going to fold it into two, just like you see me doing. After folding it, I'm going to place my fingers on it. Just place your fingers and spread it wide, just like you see me doing. After spreading it wide, then I'm going to use my chalk and then I'm going to draw a curve. This is the part where you can give it any shape that you want. As you can see from the picture above, it is being drawn down. This is where you can just design it the way you want. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to draw it like this because it has always been working out for me. So just spread your fingers wide and then draw a curve around it. After that, I'm going to cut it off. So the next step is to cut out the second pocket. So I'll just place the first pocket on my fabric and then I'll cut it around using the same method. So if you notice, the first one that we cut was on fold. That's why I was able to cut it once, but this one was not on fold. So I'll get the pocket and I'll place it right side facing each other on the fabric and cut out another one. So I'll make it double. So I am done cutting the pocket and we have the pocket for both sides of the dress. So now the next step is to attach it on our fabric. So now, as you can see, our fabric is on the right side. So make sure that your fabric is turned over to the right side. Then I'm going to place my tape on my shoulder line and I'm going to measure down to 15 inches. If you're on the taller side, you can go down by 17 or 16 inches. It all depends on your choice. So for mine, I'm going to mark 15 inches. After that, I'm going to get my pocket and I'll measure what I have there. You can just place it right after the 15 inches that you marked, but I'm just measuring mine. So now I have 6.5 inches. I'm going to mark it. So I'm also going to mark it on the other side of the fabric, as you can see. I'm also going to mark it on the other side. So I'll get my pockets now and I'm going to place it right side facing each other. Remember, right side facing each other. And then I'll go ahead and pin it. So once I'm done, I'm going to repeat the same process on the other side of the fabric. So I'm going to place it right side facing each other and then I'm going to pin it as well. So guys, this is the same thing you are going to do on the right hand side of the fabric because this is the left hand side that we are working on. So once I'm done pinning, I'm going to secure it on my sewing machine. I'm just going to sew it all the way. So as you can see, I've gone over to my sewing machine to secure the pockets. This is the first step. After placing your pockets, you go to your sewing machine and you sew it just like you see me doing. So the next step is turn it over to the wrong side. So I've turned my fabric over to the wrong side and now I'm going to shape my clothes the way I would normally shape it. But the only difference is when I reach to the pocket side, I am going to go in. Just follow my hand. I am going to go in and then I'm coming out. I'll continue to shape my dress. It is very, very simple, guys. So I'm just going to shape it the way I normally would. Then you can just go in and take it by half inches. Yeah, so after that, I'm going to go over to my sewing machine and shape my dress just the way I have illustrated. So I've gone ahead to sew in my pocket and I've also shaped my dress. As you can see, it is looking so pretty and our pocket is sitting pretty as well. If you follow the way I illustrated, you are going to get it. It is very simple. So now I'm going to turn it over to the right side so that we'll see the pockets. I've turned it over to the right side, as you can see, and it is looking so beautiful. As you can see, our pocket is so roomy and it can enter anything that you put inside. This is a very simple method that you can use for your pocket and it is very, very easy. So if you want to see the tutorial of this particular gown, it is linked down on my description box. Don't forget to check it out, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be seeing more videos like this. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.